CBSE Physics Class 10 Chapter 10 Light, Reflection and Refraction. Let us learn the chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer, and it inculcates the value of reading your book. Note that PG is for page, PR for paragraph. Questions are in yellow color, answers are in white color. What makes the things around us visible? During the day, sunlight helps us to see all objects. An object reflects light that falls on it. This reflected light, when received by our eyes, and enables us to see the things around. Can you name a few common, wonderful phenomena associated with light? There are a number of common, wonderful phenomena associated with light, such as image formation by mirrors, the twinkling of stars, the beautiful colors of a rainbow, bending of light by a medium, etc. The most familiar mnemonic spelling MNEMONIC. It means the technique to remember what we read, study. So here the colors are in proper order. It is VIBGYOR, VIBGYOR, and the other one is also very interesting, Mr. Roy G. Biv. State the laws of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. That's number one. And the number two is the incident ray, the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. What are the properties of image formed by a plane mirror? Image formed by a plane mirror is always virtual and erect. The size of the image is equal to that of the object. The image formed is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of the mirror. Further, the image is laterally inverted, like as you see yourself in the mirror, dressing table mirror. How do you distinguish the concave mirrors and convex mirrors? A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards, that is, faces towards the center of the sphere, is called a concave mirror, and a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards is called a convex mirror. You can see the picture here to confirm. Can you state very familiar daily use objects as examples of concave mirror and convex mirror? The surface of any spoon curved inwards can be approximated to a concave mirror, and the surface of the spoon bulged outsides can be approximated to a convex mirror. What is called the pole of a spherical mirror? The center of reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is a point called the pole. It lies on the surface of the mirror. The pole is usually represented by the letter P. What is the center of curvature of a spherical mirror? The reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part of a sphere. The sphere has a center. This point is called the center of curvature of the spherical mirror. It is represented by the letter C. Note that center of curvature is not a part of the mirror. Where exactly the center of curvature lies in concave and convex mirrors? The center of curvature of a concave mirror lies in front of it. However, it lies behind the mirror in case of a convex mirror. See the picture of your textbook. What is called radius of curvature in spherical mirrors? The radius of sphere of which the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part is called the radius of curvature of the spherical mirror. It is represented by the letter r. You may note that the distance PC is the radius of curvature. Dear students, you can ask your questions to this email ID given below. This module of studies will be continued in the next video. This module of studies